beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, evening, whatever time zone you may be in. Today's video is going to be about my brows. So if you follow my Instagram page, I posted a video of a picture of me trying brow henna. Now, I was a little skeptical to buy it. I usually use it's Maybelline's brow tint, and it's like a peel off tint, so like you put it on and then you leave it on for like 15 to 30 minutes and then you peel it off. So I was on Amazon and I was like, oh well, let me give this one a try. So it's called Premium Brow Henna and it's by Parallel Products. So this is the box. And the color I got was dark brown. You guys can see that. So it says it has no lead, no ammonia, and it's 100% natural henna. It cost me, I think, like $20, something like that, on Amazon. So the brow kit contents that are in here, so you get 5 grams of organic henna, you get a mixing paddle, and I broke that already. You get a little mixing bowl, you get an applicator brush, you get brow nourishing oil, a water syringe, and then of course the instructions. So this is the little mixing bowl that it came with. This is the nourishing oil, and I'll tell you guys what to use that for in a minute. This is the water syringe. This is the mixing paddle. It typically comes with like a little spoon here. I broke it. They give you guys, it's actually 3 of these. If I can get it out. They give you 3 little mixing sticks if you want to use that instead. And then they give you the brush, so the applicator brush. So you guys can see that. That's what the brush looks like. And here is the henna. So let that focus on. If it wants to. It doesn't want to for you guys right now. So this is actually a powder. So as you can see there. So you would put the powder into your mixing bowl. Then you would take your, oops, dropping things, y'all. So then you would take your syringe and you would put in water. So you would put the water gradually. So it says in the instructions that you want your consistency of it to kind of be like yogurt, so a little bit thicker so it doesn't like run. So you would take your water and then you would gradually stir it, fill it, and get that consistency to a yogurt consistency. Then it tells you to let it sit for 10 minutes. So once you have it mixed, you let the brow henna sit for 10 minutes and then you can go to apply it on your brows. So you would dip your applicator and then you would go into your brows till you fill it to your natural desire that you want. I left mine on for 10 minutes because one, I didn't follow the instructions to see, like they always be like, oh, allergy test it on your skin first for like to see if you have allergies for 24 to 48 hours. No, I was too excited, so I was like, first let me just leave it on for a little bit so my face doesn't become swollen. So I left it on for 10 minutes for one of those reasons, and the other reason was that I wasn't sure how dark it was gonna be, and I didn't want to go around looking like I had dark caterpillars like on my forehead. So that's why I left it on for 10 minutes. So this right now is day 3 of it, and this is me washing my face, wiping it. It holds on way better than the Maybelline brow tint, 10 times better, because the Maybelline brow tint, I probably by like day 2 it was already like fading, and I was kind of disappointed because you have to keep reapplying it. But I will show a picture of what it looked like the night that I did it, so you can see how it kind of faded a little bit to where it is now. Every day it tells you that you can use the nourishing oil on your eyebrows. You just put a little bit on, and it helps with 1, to nourish your brows, and 2, also helps with the color, to keep your color like looking vibrant. So let's see, out of 10 I will give this product a 8.5, 9, because I'm actually surprised that it is like washing my face and all of that. It's still, my brows usually look way, let me get a close up. So my brows tend to look less full than this. It always looks like I wasn't blessed by the brow gods to have like full thick brows, so let's just say that. But I like it. It's like natural. Like when I first did it, it was a little darker, but like it lightened up, so I'm happy with it. You know, during this quarantine season, you can't really trust everybody, so I'm trying to do as much do-it-yourself as I can. But yeah, 8.5, 9. I will try to do, I will probably see if I can leave it on for maybe like 15-30 minutes and see if it does last longer, or how long it will last. But so far, day 3, brows are looking good. I don't have to like fill in my brows when I'm doing my makeup, or fill them in. You know, now you gotta wear masks, so they're seeing here. So you gotta have your brows looking right. Like, this is like perfect, ladies, shoot, fellas. Like, if your brows is like thin, and this is it. If nobody's really seeing here anymore because you got a mask on, so make your brows pop, you guys. But yes, Amazon, I'll leave all the info in the bottom so you guys can look it up. But again, it's by Parallel Products, premium brow henna, and I want to say it was around $20. If you have Prime, free shipping. I got it literally like the next day. So that is all. Oh, info on this hair, you guys. Can we get into this? Can we look at it? So this is by Expression. It's their passion twist, but it's curly, like a passion twist curly, because normal passion twists are just kind of like straight. So if you guys can see that part, so you see how it's like a wavy type of texture. That's how these are. And focus back to me. There we go. So they're crochet, so it took me 2-3 hours to install this. I used 7 packs, and yeah, it's a reddish color mixed with 1B, so I like it. It's light. It's very light for 7 packs. Like, you wouldn't even think it's 7 packs. And my braid pattern is basically just braided straight back. But if you want to see a video of me doing an install for crochet braids, comment below, and the next time that I install my crochet braids, whether it's this hair or a different type of hair, I will do that for you guys, and I will show you the braid pattern, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to install it, because yeah, lifesaver. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and tune back in for my channel for my next video. Bye.